Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button, like, comment, share.
The lineup, and while it's been around for over 20 years, it does go through changes from time to time. One of the main changes on the latest version is the new magnesium alloy frame stay system. It's going to be lighter and stronger than the previous aircraft aluminum system. Also, with Badlands packs, you know we pay close attention to suspensions and fit. The back suspension is going to be a molded memory foam that's going to contour to your body over time, both on the back and the waist belt. You'll also see the load lifter straps, which we have with all packs that are meant for carrying large amounts of weight. That's going to lift the weight up off of your shoulders, down through the frame, and onto your hips where it should be. The 2200 pack has evolved into a bigger size. It's actually closer to 3,000 cubic inches today. As far as pocket layout, you're going to have one big main compartment up top, and then some smaller organizational pockets. One here, and then down onto your hip belt pocket, which is a nice big pocket, which are easily accessible, and a waist belt pocket. Between that waist belt pocket and the waist belt itself, you're going to have our built-in sidearm holsters, and you'll have one on either side, whichever is preferable. The unique design of the 2200 is the batwing design. What that's going to do is give you these compression straps across the back, which are going to be great for hauling gear and also assist you in carrying a rifle or bow strapped to the back of your pack. Inside of that batwing, on one side, our removable spotting scope pocket. That is a new feature on the 2200 that can now be clipped down and zipped into its own pocket or removed entirely. On the other side, you have a pocket on the bottom and a strap up top, which is great for attaching a tripod, trekking poles, something like that. And again, latching it all back up, getting it nice and tight, and keeping that center of gravity close to your back. Another unique feature of the 2200 is its hideaway meat shelf. It has its own pocket in the bottom of the pack. You simply deploy that meat shelf, click it into its own buckles up here at the top, wrap the bat wings around it, and you can haul that game bag full of meat off the mountain and be comfortable. You also have our rear entry suspension, where you can get in through the back of your pack, access some of those contents where you don't have to go through the top. Quick, easy access there. The latest version of the 2200 is Bino Connect system compatible. What that system does is allow you to ditch your Bino harness and connect your Bino case directly to the pack itself. Construction-wise, the Badlands 2200 features our new KXO50 fabric. It's like KXO32 in that it's quiet, but it's a lot lighter weight. We were able to save pounds on the 2200 pack. We also, as with all our Badlands packs, use our Hypalon material, the black material you see here, at all stress points, which is super strong. And then we triple stitch every point with that aramid thread. One strand of that can hold up to 100 pounds. That is a quick overview of the 2200 pack, a true staple in the Badlands lineup. And as always, everything with that red bull skull is going to
bow ever produced. The Siege RS410 provides shooters an unmistakable feel of comfort while delivering devastating speed and same hold down range accuracy. An ultra-compact 26.5 inches long and 7.5 inches narrow, the reverse draw Siege RS410 features a lightweight tactical stock equipped with an adjustable butt plate that extends up to 1 inch to provide all shooters an ideal fit. The Siege features a patented reverse draw bow assembly that provides perfect balance and shoots 410 feet per second, producing knock-breaking accuracy and devastating power. Drawing the string through the riser creates an elongated 14-inch power stroke. The increased power stroke generates more speed with less draw weight, creating a smoother, quieter shot. The elongated power stroke also keeps the arrow nock engaged with the string for an additional 2 inches compared to traditional crossbows before release. This is a critical component in performance, as the longer the nock remains engaged with the string, the more accurate the crossbow will be upon impact. The reverse draw design and the adjustable stock combine to produce the fastest and most comfortable compact crossbow on the market. While other crossbows decock, ours do it safely with the revolutionary AccuSlide cocking and decocking system. Silently cock the crossbow with a mere 5 pounds of force. In the event you don't take a shot during your hunt, safely decock the crossbow by simply back-winding the handle. And unlike other decocking systems on the market, stop at any point without fear of damage, injury, or losing control. Its ultra-short 16-inch micro-track barrel reduces the flight deck surface by 50% to ensure the longest string life in the industry. TenPoint's engineers round out the innovation of its bow assembly with our revolutionary Vector Quad cable technology that utilizes 4 independent cables to keep the cams perfectly level, leading to straight knock travel and precision downrange accuracy. The Siege RS410 is equipped with the S1 trigger. This 2-stage, zero-creep design features an advanced roller sear system that delivers a consistent, crisp 3.5-pound pull. The S1 trigger gives you greater trigger control, leading to same hold downrange accuracy. The combination of the S1 trigger and the reverse draw design make the Siege RS410 the smoothest and quietest 10-point crossbow to date. 10-point crossbows are the safest on the market, boasting an unmatched combination of safety features, including our AccuSlide cocking and decocking system, dry fire inhibitor, and safety wings, which help keep the shooter's hand and fingers safely below the flight deck. When it's all said and done, the Siege RS410 shoots 410 feet per second with a 400-grain Evo X center punch 16-inch arrow and measures only 7.5 inches wide and 26.5 inches long. The bow is available in 2 finishes, Veil Alpine or Graphite Gray. The Siege RS410 includes a complete hunting package. The package includes the AccuSlide cocking and decocking system, the Rangemaster Pro Scope, 6-pack of Evo X center punch 16-inch carbon arrows, integrated string stop system, and a 6-arrow tech quiver. When the months, hours, and minutes of preparation bring you to that moment, pull the trigger with confidence. The Siege RS410 is designed to make that moment last a lifetime.
This is the Vortex Ranger. Ranger rangefinders are easy to use and feature a clean, illuminated display and highly intuitive menu. The primary HCD mode displays an angle-compensated distance that is ideal for the majority of hunters and shooters with either rifle or bow. An advanced LOS mode provides you an option to calculate long-distance, high-angle shots with increased precision. A scan feature gives continuous range readings as you pan across the landscape or track a moving target. 3 brightness settings allow you to keep the display visible in various lighting conditions. The Vortex Ranger runs on a common CR2 battery, and a battery life indicator is always visible in the display. The included neck lanyard and removable utility clip make the Ranger easy to pack and keep handy. Fully multi-coated lenses deliver optimal light transmission. Textured rubber armor provides a secure non-slip grip, and waterproof and fog-proof performance keep the system operating even in the harshest conditions. The Ranger rangefinder is the perfect choice for your next outdoor adventure, covered by the Vortex VIP warranty.
It's a waterproof, windproof construction with fully taped seams on all zippers so that you're going to be 100% waterproof. The Venture jacket's going to come in Approach FX and the Approach pattern. We built this to be versatile and to be used as a layering piece. You can see it here with the Stealth hoodie underneath it as a great option, but you can bulk up underneath it if needed. But it does feature our top-of-the-line Primaloft Gold fill, which is going to give you that warmth without bulk. Moving on to some of the features of the Venture jacket, looking at the hood, you have a 3-point adjustable hood so you can get it fitting your face just right, as well as a brim to keep that weather off of your face. We also have perforations here over your face so that you have a ventilated breathing area here where you'll pull the jacket up over your mouth in those really gnarly conditions. Moving down the jacket, you have, again, fully taped zippers here. They're going to keep you 100% waterproof. A main feature of the Venture jacket is this big, long chest pocket, which has 2 internal pockets, 1 mesh, 1 zippered inside. But the main feature there is it has a tether built in for a rangefinder or other items, but mainly for a rangefinder. So you have quick, easy access to that, especially if you're tree stand hunting. You put that in the mesh pocket, zip it up, and you're ready to go. That's also a dual zipper, so you can open it from the top or bottom when needed. You also have zippered hand pockets and the compressible sleeve, which is going to be great for the bow hunter or anybody in general that wants to get that extra fabric out of the way down around your arms. Moving to the back of the Venture jacket, of course, we have the tree stand tether exit port. If you are tree stand hunting, we want you to stay safe, and that's an easy exit port for your tether. The Venture jacket, 100% waterproof, windproof, breathable membrane, very comfortable. If you do feel like you're overheating in the Venture jacket, we have pit zips built in so you can dump that heat out of there. So many features built into this thing. Some might say over-engineered. We say extra comfortable, extra versatile. The Venture jacket from Badlands. As always, everything with that Red Bull skull.
If you think there's nothing new in ground blinds, the new Double Bull Surround View is about to prove you wrong. What's up? I'm Will Primos. What do you think about this?
Man, this is nice. I like this a lot.
Man, this is awesome.
This is exclusive one-way see-through walls.
I mean, this just blows my mind.
You couldn't see me in here, could you?
No.
I didn't even see you in here. Yeah. You know, even when I was walking up right here, I couldn't see you.
I'm still shocked by looking at it from the outside.
It's a blind without a blind spot. Tell him to hold up some fingers.
3, 4, 1. That's incredible.
Did you see that right there? You would not be seeing that if you were in a regular blind.
I would not. I'm at a loss for words.
Did you see that right there?
I did not on the way in.
You would miss an opportunity. It's a blind without a blind spot.
This is a game changer for sure.
Is standing directly below you, maybe 2 yards. Do you even know which pin to shoot? Most guys will gravitate to that 20-yard pin and they're going to shoot high. But the Xero bow sight will give you the correct pin to shoot when your target is less than 15 yards away. Keep this in mind, when you're beyond 15 yards, your arrow's angle to the target is approximately the same angle as your eye. Now, the closer you get to the target, the more the angle to your eye differs from the angle to your arrow. Xero will give you a higher pin than you would expect for shots from about 10 to 15 yards. But you're going to get a much lower pin for those really short shots in that 2 to 7 yard area. These short range pins are not adjustable. They also give you a very accurate shooting solution when your target is incredibly close by. Give it a try for yourself. Go out and take a shot at like 3 yards and notice how that pin is deadly accurate with no guessing. Thanks for watching, and be sure and check out the other videos in this series to learn more about the...
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.